Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the MIDI pattern and assigning its instrument to a dedicated mixer track. Do this immediately so you capture the exact processing you hear. Routing isolates the signal. Once the instrument is routed, check effect chain, volume, and sidechain sends. Make adjustments because these affect the rendered audio. Next, mute other tracks or create a clean playlist region. This prevents bleed. Finally, set project tempo and sampler settings to the final values so pitch and timing remain consistent when you render. Now render the routed MIDI to audio. If you want a full song piece, select Export WAV and set the options. If it's a single instrument, solo the mixer track and use the mixer's render or consolidate command to bounce the track. Choose bit depth and sample rate to match your session, and decide whether to include effects tails or fade out. This preserves reverb and delay. Once you hit start, FL Studio prints the processed sound to an audio file or playlist clip, which you can then edit or replace the MIDI. Finish by dragging the rendered audio into the playlist and aligning it to the original MIDI so timing and phase match. Listen critically for level differences, stereo image changes, or missing effects. These tell you why a re-render might be needed. If something sounds wrong, first check routing. Was the instrument routed to the correct mixer track and were sends muted? Also confirm buffer size and sample rate match and that you exported the full tail. If persistent, solo problematic effects and render again to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.